Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's change this to radio. Buttons. And I'm going to push enter, and I'm going to type in checkbox, because the next one we're going to do is checkbox. So what we need to also do is put in the break right there. So I'm going to type in the input type. It's going to be equal to checkbox. Okay, name is going to be checkbox 1, and the value is going to be equal to rooster. I'm just kidding. We're just going to make the value equal to also checkbox 1. It's pretty simple. And of course we're going to put a break at the end of it. Now, I'm going to make sure everything is correct there, and it comes up. Yeah, you can see a little checkbox there. And why not? Let's put checkbox at the beginning this time. So we're going to type in checkbox. Yeah, checkbox. There we go. And I might as well just put 1. Okay. Copy this 4 times, and I'm just going to change everything here. And you know how, see how systematically I'm doing this? You definitely want to make sure that you do this as well. Alright, there we go. And just for fun, I'm going to put this as underline and bold. Of course, close it, slash underline, and slash bold. Perfect. There we go. And just for fun, another break. Alright, and that's how you add in a checkbox. I'll see you guys next time.